Hello all. Well, it's time to have another raffle. We're going to do something for a fellow slot brother. Saw this post last week. SADCO Racing Steve, down but not out. And just really bad. He had a fire and he lost it all. Luckily the house is still standing, but a lot of damage, and he was offering to send what cars were damaged to other people to help restore them, things of that nature. But Mark, myself, Slot Car Corner, it was Mark's idea. We're gonna offer up some stuff for raffle. Tickets are gonna be $10 each. We're gonna try to raise around $500 to send to him so he can start rebuilding his slot car life. So we got to look out for each other out here. So really appreciate it. All the proceeds, everything will go to my PayPal. I'll do all the collecting. We'll do the normal name drawing as we usually do for the prizes, and then we'll get these funds out to him, and I'm sure he can put them to good use. So anyway, as always, really appreciate everything y'all do. We're all family here, and I couldn't be more proud to be associated with folks like you. So just wanted to put that out there. Make sure if you're seeing this on YouTube, Facebook, just come to the forum. You'll have all the PayPal information there. So again, appreciate everything. Let's help them out.